The Wondiwoi tree kangaroo, also known as the golden-mantled tree kangaroo, was only recently discovered in 1994, and is considered to be one of the rarest and least known tree kangaroo species. It is a small and arboreal species, with a golden-brown pelage and distinctive black markings on its face. This species is only found in a very limited area, covering an estimated range of only around 100 square kilometers in the Wondiwoi Mountains, a remote and inaccessible region with rugged terrain and dense forests. The species is threatened by habitat loss due to mining, logging, and land conversion for agriculture, as well as hunting for its meat and fur. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the Wondiwoi tree kangaroo and its habitat. The Indonesian government has declared the Wondiwoi Mountains a protected area, and conservation organizations are working with local communities to promote sustainable land use practices and raise awareness about the importance of conserving this unique and endangered species. Despite being discovered relatively recently, the Wondiwoi tree kangaroo has already been classified as an endangered species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). According to the IUCN, there are believed to be fewer than 250 mature individuals in the wild, with the population declining due to ongoing habitat loss and hunting. In addition to habitat protection and community outreach efforts, other conservation strategies being used to protect this species include captive breeding programs and research into the species' biology and ecology. For example, researchers are studying the Wondiwoi tree kangaroo's reproductive behavior, diet, and habitat preferences in order to develop more effective conservation strategies. The conservation of the Wondiwoi tree kangaroo is an important example of the need to protect unique and endangered species that are found only in specific areas. The loss of such species not only represents a loss of biodiversity, but can also have significant cultural and economic impacts on local communities. By working to protect and conserve species like the Wondiwoi tree kangaroo, we can help to ensure a more sustainable and resilient future for both humans and the natural world. It is worth noting that the Wondiwoi tree kangaroo is not the only species that is endemic to the Wondiwoi Mountains region. The area is home to a number of other unique and rare species, including several species of birds, reptiles, and mammals. These species are also threatened by habitat loss and hunting, and their conservation is therefore closely linked to that of the Wondiwoi tree kangaroo. Protecting the Wondiwoi Mountains region and its unique biodiversity requires a coordinated effort between governments, conservation organizations, and local communities. Efforts to promote sustainable land use practices, protect habitats, and reduce hunting pressure are all important steps that can be taken to protect the Wondiwoi tree kangaroo and other endangered species in the area. In addition, education and outreach programs can help to raise awareness about the importance of biodiversity conservation and the unique natural heritage of the Wondiwoi Mountains region. By working together to protect and conserve this unique and fragile ecosystem, we can help to ensure a more sustainable and resilient future for both humans and the natural world. The conservation of the Wondiwoi tree kangaroo and other endemic species in the Wondiwoi Mountains region also has important cultural and economic implications. Local communities in the region have traditionally relied on forest resources for their livelihoods, including hunting for food and income. However, unsustainable hunting and other activities such as logging and mining can have negative impacts on both the environment and the livelihoods of local people.